Hey there guys, it's me Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob Some Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you guys how to fix a slowly filtering PUR water filter. Now this may be a sign that your filter needs to be changed if it's been 2 or 3 months or it's done over like 40 gallons of water. Normally these are good for around 40 gallons it says. Some people use them longer, but I tend to switch them around every month or so just to get the cleanest water. But this one's only been in for about 2 weeks and it started draining slowly, so we're going to go ahead and show you quickly how to fix that. And now these are actually coming straight from the PUR company. They give you two options. One, you can just shake it, or two, we can actually run some water through the bottom. So we're going to show you the bottom one actually, because first method you can just shake it, see if that works, but a lot of times it doesn't for me. So what we're going to do, we're going to, obviously you unlock this by just turning it counterclockwise, pulling up. We're just going to run some water along these exit ports to see if anything got clogged up in there. And we're just going to run some water through there for about 30 seconds. So I'll take you right over to the sink. So here we are. Flip it over. You can see there's exit ports along the outer diameter of the rim of this water filter. I'm just going to run some warm water at first. And then we're going to finish it off with some cool water down through the bottom. Remember, the filter you want to be upside down, so you're kind of knocking any maybe big granules out the way that are in the filter media. So after you do that for about 30 seconds, you're also going to give it a vigorous shake to loosen any of those filter granules on the inside. And then we're just going to put this in our filter and see if it goes faster. So now I've went ahead and added some water to the top reservoir to let the filter go to work, and already I can tell it is draining a lot faster than it was, so this solution has worked greatly. Let me know how it works for you down in the comments below. If this helped you out, smack the thumbs up button. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Till next time guys, I will see you later. As always, I hope you learned something and hope you have a fantastic day. Peace out.